What's up? I'm a fucking cop. What do you think I am? Get your fucking ass on the ground right now. Get your fucking ass on the ground right now. Get your ass on the fucking ground right now. My nigga, right? My nigga. Get your fucking ass on the ground. I told you.
Nigga, my dad's gonna come, man.
Get your ass on the ground. Get your ass on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Papa.
Get on the ground. What are you
Call
doing?
my fucking dad, bro. Yo, chill out, nigga.
Get your ass on the ground right now.
Get down on the ground.
Get on the ground right now.
My dad lives right there.
Get on the ground right now.
Papa.
Get your ass on the ground. Get on the... Papa, I'm not going to tell you again. 1, 2, put your hands behind your back right now. Put your hands behind your back right now. You crazy? How many times?
Yo, I'm on the ground, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
Mama. Yo.
Put your hands behind your back.
Mama. 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 Pop.
They're all 392.
What the fuck am I being arrested for?
Go ahead and send me 15. So one subject in custody. How many times do I got to tell you to come over here?
Bro, I didn't know you were a cop.
You didn't know I was a cop?
I'm sorry.
Are you kidding me right now?
I didn't know you were a cop.
Yeah, and you're still fighting me, right? Now you're going to jail. Come on.
Yo, my papa. Bro, my dad lives right there.
I'm going to be right here in the courts.
Can you call my dad?
At the QTH, respond.
Can you call my dad?
Come on.
Please, bro. Yo, I'm here, man. Can you call my dad, please? Yo, I'm coming here.
How old are you, bro?
Yo, listen, can you call my dad,
How
bro?
old are you?
Nigga, I'm fucking 20.
All right, Papa, come on. Let's go. You're going to jail.
Yo, listen, can you call my dad, bro? Yo,
I'm not going to tell you again. I'm not going to tell you again to stop fighting me. Do you understand me?
Yes. You got it. I'm done.
Do you kill me right now?
You got it. I'm done.
Now you're going to stay here.
Alright.
Any other better QTH for the units responding?
I stopped.
They're out 392. 66 and 114 Avenue in the courts. You get alone, subjects in custody on the ground.
Why am I being arrested?
You live here?
Yes.
What are you doing now in this time?
I'm just walking.
Dressed out in black.
I'm walking.
Security guard told you how many times to stop.
Bro, I'm walking.
I told you to stop how many times?
I heard you.
You heard me? You don't see a police car right there?
Yes.
Yeah, and now you see it, right? But you want to keep running away from me.
Sorry.
You're sorry. You'll be sorry when you stay the night in jail. You call your dad from there. I'm gonna ask you again. You're gonna get up?
I'm gonna do what you
If you're gonna find me again, I'm gonna put you on the ground. You understand?
do what you say.
Let's go. So don't believe me? You'll be alright. Bro, that buddy turned the corner. I was like, whoa, where are you going? This guy, he says he claims he stays here, but he's going to jail now
Why am I being arrested?
for resisting.
What do you mean?
Why you staying?
And he fought me.
You fought him?
Hell yeah, he fought me. Kidding me? Look at me. I'll fight 5 on camera too. He didn't fight me.
Where are your friends at? So you came alone?
You have no ID on you? You live where?
Any people you'd like to clear for 17 at the Amazon warehouse? 1900
Yeah, okay.
I was
Yeah,
on the
no, he didn't know I was
phone
a cop.
with the security guard the entire time.
And they were telling you to stop.
Did he identify himself? So, you didn't know he was a cop, but he identified himself.
They're just advising the box truck that was in Probable.
Bro, I was here.
Yes.
And then,
I thought you were in the next.
no, I said the courts. No, the courts, not the gates.
Somebody said the gates.
Somebody said it, but I said the courts.
Serena said the gates.
Oh.
That's why we're at the
What,
gates.
Chester?
So you wrecked? You're what?
Bro, I'm here,
Don't move.
and I'm like, hey, get your ass over here. He's like, he goes, what's up, my nigga? What's up? I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, where the fuck are you going? He's like, fuck you. Where? And he just kept walking. So he turned that corner, I started chasing him because I don't know what the hell this guy's doing, all black. And he's been fighting me. This whole time he's been fighting me, bro.
Stop. Relax. Don't resist, my G.